pleasant day to everybody. Welcome to my channel. So today we will discuss another lesson in mathematics. So we have polynomial and polynomial equations. Let's start. Question number 1. The following are examples of polynomials except letter A. X squared minus 4x plus 5. Letter B. 4x raised to negative 3 plus 8x raised to negative 2 plus 10x raised to negative 7. Letter C. 3x raised to 4 minus 5x cubed plus 2x minus 1. Letter D. Square root of x cubed minus y cubed. What is your answer? All you have to do is just choose your answer from A, B, C, and D. Do you have now the answer? If your answer is letter B, you're correct. What else? Another answer is letter D. I will explain. Letter B is not a polynomial because there is a negative exponent. So we have negative 3 and negative 2 and negative 7. How about letter D? Letter D is not a polynomial because of the radical symbol or square root symbol. If we will change it, or if we will remove the symbol, it will become now fractional exponent. So that is why B and D are not a polynomials. Next, question number 2. The leading coefficient of the polynomial 5x raised to 10 plus 4x raised to 12 plus 4x raised to 6 plus x raised to 4 minus x is blank. So if you are going to find the leading coefficient, you need to arrange the polynomial in descending order in terms of their exponent. So what is your answer? Then you can find the leading coefficient to the biggest or to the highest exponent of the polynomial or highest degree. Your answer is okay. So we have now 4. Since 4 is the numerical coefficient of the degree 12. So the correct answer is 4. Question number 3. What is the quotient when x squared minus 25 is divided by x minus 5? You can use any method in solving this. You can use long division method, or you can use synthetic division if you want, or if you have other method, you can apply it here. Let us see the solution. So we have now x squared plus 0x minus 25 divided by x minus 5. You will notice that we added 0x additional term because the degree 1 is missing, so that's why we insert 0x raised to the first power. So we will start from the dividend. So the first term is x squared divided by x. So this one, x squared divided by x. The answer now is x. Okay. Then x times x. The answer now is x squared. And then x times negative 5. The answer is negative 5x. After that, you are going to subtract. (0x minus 5x is equals to negative 5x. Then all you have to do is bring down negative 25. Again, you are going to use 5x. Okay, this one, 5x divided by x. You are going to divide it by x, your divisor. So the answer now is equals to 5. Once you get 5, multiply it again to the divisor. So from here, so we have now 5, this one, divided 5 times x, the answer is 5x. Then 5 times negative 5, the answer is minus 25. Then subtract it again, the answer now is 0. So once you end up at 0, which means that is your remainder, so that's the end of your solution. So what is your final answer, class? The final answer is x plus 5. So that will be your quotient. Okay? Question number 4. Divide quantity 5x squared plus 14x minus 24 by quantity x plus 4. We have a trinomial divided by a binomial. If we are going to use long division method, we are going to write that like this. Again, you are going to start at 5x squared, but you are going to check first if the dividend, if the exponent of each term is arranged in descending order. Now, 5x squared divided by 5x squared divided by x, the answer is 5x. Then 5x times x is equals to 5x squared. And then 5x times 4, the answer is 20x. Then subtract. If we will subtract 5x squared minus 5x squared, the answer is 0. So we will proceed to 14x minus 20x. We will proceed here. 14x minus 20x, the answer is negative 6x. Then, bring down negative 24. Okay? Then, repeat the process. Negative 6x divided by x. The answer is negative 6. Then multiply again, negative 6 times x here, so negative 6 times x, the answer is negative 6x. Another is negative 6 times 4, the answer is negative 24. Then subtract, so the answer is equals to 0. So once you arrive 0 as your remainder, it means that's the end of your solution. So your answer here is 5x minus 6. So that is your final answer. Did you understand? So let's proceed to question number 5. What is the remainder when p of x equals 4x squared plus 2x minus 5 is divided by x minus 2? So in this case, you can use the remainder theorem, or you can also use long division method. It's up to you. If you have knowledge about remainder theorem, you can use it. First, if you are going to use the remainder theorem, so the divisor will be equate to 0. We have now x minus 2 equals 0. Adding both sides by positive 2, the value of x is equals to 2. Then after that, you are going to substitute it to the polynomial function, p of x equals 4x squared plus 2x minus 5. Let us see the solution. Then simplifying, we have now the result. P of 2 equals 15. So it means that the remainder is equals to 15. So this is one way of finding the remainder when we divide polynomial functions. Next, question number 6. What is the remainder when quantity 5x raised to 100 plus 5 is divided by quantity x minus 1? Let us show the solution. First, equate the divisor to 0. X minus 1 equals 0. Adding both sides by positive 1, the answer now is equals to 1. Or simply, we called it as transposition. Transpose negative 1, the value of x will be positive 1. Once you get 1, substitute it to the dividend to find the remainder. So the result now is equals to 10. So the answer is equals to 10. Question number 7. What is the quotient when quantity 2x raised to 4 plus 4x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x minus 3 is divided by 2x squared plus 1? I think you're going to do the same as question number 1 as our example number 2, if you remember. So let us see the solution. Using the long division method, 2x raised to 4 plus 4x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x minus 3 divided by 2x squared plus 0x plus 1. As you will observe, we added 0x in the divisor. Then 2x raised to 4 divided by 2x squared, the answer is x squared. Always start here, the first term of the dividend. Then divide it here in the divisor, 2x squared, the answer is x squared. Then multiply x squared times 2x squared, the answer is 2x raised to 4. X squared times 0x, the answer is 0x cubed. X squared times 1, the answer is x squared. Then subtract. So we have now 4x cubed minus 6x squared. Then bring down positive 2x. Then repeat the process. Start from 4x cubed divided by 2x squared. So what is the answer? So we have now positive 2x. Then multiply positive 2x in the divisor. So we have now the result. 4x cubed plus 0x squared plus 2x. Then again, subtract. So we have now negative 6x squared plus 0x, bring down negative 3. Then repeat again the process. Divide negative 6x squared by 2x squared. The answer is negative 3. Multiply negative 3 to the divisor. So we have negative 6x squared plus 0x minus 3. Then subtract. So the answer is 0. So that's the end of the solution. So the final answer will be x squared plus 2x minus 3. Okay, last question. Number 8. Given p of x equals 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5x minus 12, what is the value of p of 3? So all you have to do is substitute 3 to p of x. So let us see the solution. Then simplify. So the answer p of 3 is equals to 54. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. So I hope you learn about this lesson. So have a wonderful day to everyone, guys. Bye.